ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக். நாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸில் யூனிட் 6 அதாவது ஹெல்த் அண்ட் ஹைஜீன் இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். First, choose the correct answer. First question. Ravi has sound mind and physically fit body, which refers to option B, health. Second one, sleep is not only good for body, but it is also good for mind. Option C. Third one, our living place should be clean. Option C. Fourth one, the tobacco chewing causes, option B, periodontitis. Fifth one, the first aid is to relieve the pain. Option D. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, a group of people living together in a particular area is called community. Second one, I am green color box with garbage. Who am I? It is biodegradable dustbin. Third one, eyes are considered as dash to the world, windows. Next, the hair follicles produce dash which keeps the hair smooth, oil. Fifth one, tuberculosis is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculae. Mycobacterium tuberculae. Tuberculae spelling Tuberculae. Next, true or false? If false, give the correct statement. First one, all food should be covered. True. எல்லாமே நம்ம மூடி தான் வச்சிருக்கணும். Second one, chicken pox also known as leukoderma அப்படிங்கிறது false. ஏன்னா chicken pox is also known as varicella. Third one, stomach ulcer is a non-communicable disease. True. Fourth, rabies is a fatal disease. True. Fifth one, first degree burns damage the whole skin அப்படிங்கிறது false. ஏன்னா இது damages outer layer of the skin. Next, fourth Roman letter, match the following. First, rabies, hydrophobia. Second, cholera, cramps in legs. Third, tuberculosis, mycobacterium. Fourth, hepatitis, yellow urine. Fifth, typhoid, salmonella. 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Next, analogy. First one, first degree burn, epidermis. Second degree burn, dermis. Second, typhoid, bacteria. Hepatitis, virus. Third, tuberculosis, air. Cholera, water. Next, choose the correct alternative from the following. First, assertion, oral hygiene is good. Reason, sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. இதுக்கு ரெண்டுமே சரி. So, answer is A. Both A and R are true. Second, assertion, chickenpox is a viral communicable disease. Reason, characterized by rashes on the whole body, fever, headache and tiredness. Option the A. Both A and R are true. Next, very short answer. First one, what is hygiene? 82 பாருங்க. Hygiene refers to the good habits and their practices which is followed to prevent diseases, maintain good health, especially through cleanliness, consumption of safe drinking water, and disposal of sewage. Second one, write about the right way of protect the eyes. Practices to be followed for eye care. First, do not rub the eyes. Second, do not watch TV or computer for a long time. Third, use cold water for cleaning the eyes. Fourth point, eat lot of carrots which is rich in vitamin A needed for good vision. Fifth point, eat fruits like oranges, sweet lemon, etc. regularly. Next, third one, how to keep your hair clean and healthy. To keep the hair clean and healthy, the regular hair wash and massage of the scalp will remove the dead skin cells, excess oil and dust. Rinsing the hair well with clean water and using good toothed comb for hair dressing is highly essential for their maintenance. Next, fourth one, Sobi frequently playing with her mobile. Suggest your ideas to protect his eye from irritation. First, stop playing with the mobile for a long time. Second, keep the mobile at a distance from the eyes while playing. Third one, wash eyes with cold water at intervals. Fifth one, give any two communicable disease which spread in your locality during monsoon. Cholera, diarrhea and TB கூட வரும். மெயினாக வந்து காலரா டயாரியா. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கலாம். Next one, what first aid will you provide in the case of braces? Bruises refers to scratches. It is a surface damage that does not penetrate the lower tissue. The affected area should be washed with cold running water and cleaned with an antiseptic cream on the wound. Seventh question, Ravi said, Ganga had minor burn, so I washed with water. Do you agree with his statement or not? Explain why. Yes, in case of minor burns, the affected area should be washed with cold water. In case of severe burns, deeper layers of tissues get destroyed and blisters appear. Next, in the Roman letter 8, short answers one by one பார்க்கலாம். First one, why the first aid is essential? Safety and first aid. First aid is the immediate treatment given to the victim of trauma or sudden illness before medical help is made available. The first aid is to save the life, to prevent further bleeding and determine the condition of the patient, to relieve the pain, to provide a medical care available at the earliest. Second one, what this picture explains. இந்த picture வந்து நமக்கு என்ன denote பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா, waste should not be thrown there. waste வந்து நம்ம அங்கங்கே போடக்கூடாது, டஸ்ட்பினில் தான் போடணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் வந்து இந்த பிக்சர் வந்து நமக்கு சொல்லுது. waste should not be thrown there. And third one, distinguish between the following pairs: communicable disease and non-communicable diseases. First, communicable disease. These diseases spread from one person to another person. Non-communicable disease, these diseases do not spread from one person to another person. அதாவது ஒருத்தங்கிட்ட ஒருத்தங்களுக்கு பரவது வந்து கம்யூனிகபிள் டிசீஸ், ஒருத்தங்கக்கிட்ட பரவாதது வந்து நான் கம்யூனிகபிள் டிசீஸ். First, communicable disease spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors. Example, tuberculosis, cholera இதெல்லாம் வந்து communicable disease. இது வந்து ஏர் மூலமாக வாட்டர் மூலமாக இது வந்து பரவுறது. தென் நான் கம்யூனிகபிள் டிசீஸ் வந்து தே ஆர் காஸ்ட் டியூ டு வியரிங் அவுட் ஆஃப் பாடி பார்ட்ஸ் ஆர் malnutrition. எக்ஸாம்பிள் goiter, night blindness இதெல்லாம் வந்து நான் கம்யூனிகபிள் டிசீசஸ். அண்ட் fourth question, what steps you will follow to keep the teeth healthy? நம்ம டீத்தை வந்து ஹெல்த்தியாக வச்சுருக்க என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, good oral health hygiene implies sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. When you brush 2 times a day, it will prevent the formation of tartar and plaque on your teeth and gums. When you floss, it will remove food particles and plaque and bacteria which build up between your teeth. When you start flossing, your gums may bleed a little bit, but after a few days that will be stopped. It should be started only with proper medical guidance. Eat a well-balanced diet and avoid habits like chewing tobacco. Tobacco எல்லாம் வந்து சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, சாப்பிட்டோம்னா பல்லில் வந்து கரை விழுகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கலாம். Fifth one, name the mode of transmission of communicable disease. Communicable diseases spread from one person to another person through various modes as given below. என்னென்ன மோட் பார்த்தோம்னா, ஃபஸ்ட் ஃபுட் அண்ட் வாட்டர் பார்ன் டிசீஸ், எக்ஸாம்பிள் காலரா, டைஃபாய்டு. செகண்ட், ஏர் பார்ன் டிசீசஸ், எக்ஸாம்பிள் டியூபர்குலோசிஸ், கோல்டு. தேர்ட், இன்செக்ட் other animals borne diseases, example malaria, rabies. Fourth, contaminated water and food and water, air, insects or modes of transmission of communicable diseases. அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி கண்டாமினேட்டட் அப்படின்னா அந்த அசுத்தம் நிறைந்த ஃபுட் அண்ட் வாட்டர், ஏர், இதனால தான் நமக்கு வந்து கம்யூனிகபிள் டிசீஸ் வந்து டிரான்ஸ்மிட் ஆகுது ஒருத்தங்கிட்ட இன்னொருத்தங்களுக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்க்கலாம். சிக்ஸ்த் ஒன், the hair is thin, sparse and lost very often. Suggested your ideas to reduce this problem. The condition of the hair reflects the nutritional status and general health of the body. Thin, sparse and loss of hair indicates poor nutritional status. The following measures will help to maintain hair growth and avoid hair loss. First point, the regular hair wash and massage of the scalp will remove the dead skin cells, excess oil and dust. Rinsing the hair well with clean water and using good toothed comb for hair dressing is highly essential for the maintenance. Eating a balanced diet which provides all nutrients needed for the body will promote hair growth. Next point, applying oil to skin and massaging the scalp will promote hair growth. Use of chemicals, for example dyes, shampoos must be used to avoid hair loss. Next